Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another turmeric recipe for you all, and this one is going to be for my vegan lovers or lactose free lovers. So this one also has some special ingredients which would help with the absorption of turmeric into our bodies. It's very healthy and very good for our bodies. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, let me show you. So to start, I have here some black pepper, some ciliment leaves or bay rum leaves, rosemary, some cinnamon sticks, some turmeric. I'm using powdered, you can use fresh, and some sugar. So into my teapot I'm going to add in my rosemary, 2 sticks of the cinnamon. Next it goes in the ciliment leaves, then some black pepper, which is that ingredient to help with absorption. And then in goes my sugar and my turmeric. Now the sugar is optional. If you didn't want to, you don't have to. Now we're going to cover this with boiling hot water, and we're going to mix that and allow it to steep. Now this, you're going to allow it to steep and let it cool down completely, and then you can serve it hot with milk if you wanted to, or you can serve it on ice. It's a really healthy drink and it does aid, especially if you had a surgery. It's really good. It helps heal cuts and bruises really quickly. So I'm serving mine with 2 cinnamon sticks because I just wanted that extra cinnamon flavor. Make sure and mix well before serving. And I'm going to use my strainer just because I don't want to be biting down or swallowing those pieces of black pepper. And all you have to do is serve. Now I'm having mine hot. If you wanted it cold, of course you can have it cold. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to check out the golden milk version to this, which is already on my channel. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.